Here we go.
Ah, shit. Okay.
We're started.
Welcome back, guys. We're already started, and running out.
We've already killed like
Ready?
1,000,000. Oh, dude, all their bodies already disappeared.
Switching it up to the shotgun this round. You know, we're just going down for Mike Tyson, that bitch. Again,
Sorry.
here, episode 3. My computers are still being greedy bastards. I have no med kit. If I go down, I have no way of surviving. But you know what? Brandon's here, so.
I'm not healing you. I need it.
No, I said you're here if I die.
Oh, yeah. So we can...
He's in my will, YouTube, so.
Got you, homie.
That was cool. This is my will if I die. I was in 100 guns to my forehead and makes me suck his dick. Oh god, I got you, baby.
I'm just gonna hide in here.
They're coming for you.
I don't even want to see our stats at the end of this.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Smoker. Easy headshot.
Oh, we're here. We're here.
I'm right here.
Oh yeah, go to the roof. That's the safest spot on a...
Actually, there, you can cheat on this one. I remember.
Can you?
I remember this. There's a safe spot where they can't get you.
You know where to go?
Yep. Here, I'll show you real quick. Hold on, let's grab. Oh, you can grab your med kit.
There we go. I get a different gun. I think I'm gonna get the...
Get the shotgun, dude.
I already have the shotgun.
I hear a zombie. Oh, they're down here.
Alright, where's the safe spot? Up
Some-
that ladder?
It's up here somewhere.
Oh, I know how to do it. Okay. I'm gonna hit the radio, okay?
Wait, I don't remember where the safe spot is. Where the heck is it?
It's okay, I'm answering the radio. Good luck.
I'm spooked. You good, bruh? Oh, we can just hide up here. We'll be fine. Maybe. We get...
What?
I don't know.
What am I doing?
He wasn't dead somehow.
He was just straight shit. Aw, someone to rescue?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it?
Hey, I'll go do it. I'm scared.
I'll cover you.
Alright, we're all gonna stand up there. 15 minutes. Do we? Is it actually 15 minutes?
I hope it's not fucking 15 minutes.
I'm really scared. I'm really scared. Ooh, good idea.
I think we are in a safe space.
Yeah,
I feel pretty safe up here.
I feel safe because Zoe and the... Oh, look out. Oh my god, it tried grabbing me.
I saved you.
I couldn't even see him, so oh, are they climbing behind? Oh god, oh god.
Oh, here they come, bro. Randy, you got an aid?
I'll use it in an emergency only. Yeah, these NPCs are fearless, man.
So YouTube, if we survive this deathly occasion, I'm gonna...
Another smoker.
Dead.
You're the man.
Hunter. I'm like trying to mark him like this is like Fortnite or something. There's a hunter right there. 48. 10 minutes.
What are you looking at?
Boomer over there.
The
Dead.
tank.
Wait.
Oh shoot, the tank can throw stuff at you too, remember? The tank was like, nope.
Oh god. Oh god.
It's okay. He'll probably knock one of them off the edge. Oh god, he's coming under us. I got my shotgun. I'm gonna blow him away.
God, he's coming. Oh yeah.
He's gonna throw like bricks and crap at us. Oh my god! Oh my god! I thought he was gonna die a lot faster. Oh my god, Bill died! Or you died! Oh.
You have to see my point of view for that. YouTube, I didn't even survive. Oh. I got straight dropped off the
Did you get launched all the way off?
No, to your left. Yeah, no, to your right, to your right. No, to your right. All the way off. Like I watched my...
Like way over there?
Yeah. You gotta see my reaction on that, bro.
No, 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 no! It's okay, I'm safe. Save me, idiots! Save me, Louis! Screw you guys. Goodbye, Lewis. Thanks for your sacrifice. I don't have it anymore. Come on, Lewis, you gotta be careful, man. Man, they're beating the crap out of Lewis. He's not taking damage, though.
I
What?
didn't have a chance to take damage. She's doing a Vietnam veteran on.
Where you at, Mr. Smoker? I hear a hunter. Oh no!
Oh my god. Brandon, make sure you're not up there if he gets up. Yeah. Out in between. If he like gets close to you, jump down.
Oh no, she's dead. Wait, where is he?
Below you, below you.
Oh. No, Lewis.
He's almost falling off. Why didn't I get that opportunity? Oh god, they're both dead.
Oh my god. Get away! No, no. Goodbye, Zoe. Oh no. Come on, Zoe, come on. Come on, get in here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on. She died. She died.
You left her, bro. You
Oh.
left her to die. Holy shit.
I just had I had a thing over your face the whole time, my little thing.
Wait, what?
I had my my file explorer open over your face.
Over my face?
I was the only one who survived.
Bro, you didn't see my reaction when I got knocked off?
Probably not.
Oh, rip.
Wow. Dude, she was like 2 feet away from getting on there.
Alright, YouTube.
That took 58 minutes. I had 0 deaths.
Alright, YouTube. This will be the end of the first chapter.
I went down the most but died the least.
Sure, if you watched, like, if you liked building like 7,000 feet as a tribute to Left 4 Dead, give me a like, comment, and subscribe on me and Brandon's video, and we'll be back with part 2 shortly. Peace.
Peace out, homies. We suck.